Some people have made fortunes with cryptocurrency. Others have lost money just as quickly. And millions of people still have no idea what cryptocurrency actually is. Is it digital money, an investment, a technology, or just hype? Today, we're diving into cryptocurrency explained for complete beginners and breaking it down in the simplest way possible without confusing jargon or technical language. Let's get started. At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital money. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies exist primarily online. You can't hold most cryptocurrencies in your hand like cash. They're digital assets recorded on computer networks. Think of it this way. Traditional money relies on banks to track balances and transactions. Cryptocurrencies use technology to record and verify transactions instead. This idea is the foundation of cryptocurrency explained for complete beginners. Before discussing investing, it's important to understand what cryptocurrency actually is. Whenever cryptocurrency is discussed, you'll hear the word blockchain. Let's simplify it. A blockchain is a digital record of transactions. Imagine a giant notebook shared across many computers. Every transaction gets recorded. And once recorded, those entries become extremely difficult to change. That's why blockchain technology is often described as transparent and secure. The blockchain acts as the system that keeps track of cryptocurrency ownership. Without it, cryptocurrency wouldn't function. People buy cryptocurrency for different reasons. Some believe it may increase in value over time. Others are interested in the technology itself. Some see it as a new form of digital finance. Just like stocks, cryptocurrency prices can rise and fall, sometimes dramatically. That's why it's important to understand that cryptocurrency involves risk. Prices can move quickly, and there are no guarantees. This is one of the most important lessons in cryptocurrency explained for complete beginners. Opportunity and risk often go together. When people think about cryptocurrency, they often think about Bitcoin. That's because Bitcoin was the first widely adopted cryptocurrency. Created in 2009, Bitcoin introduced the idea of decentralized digital money. Many newer cryptocurrencies were created after Bitcoin, but Bitcoin remains the most recognized name in the space. You can think of it as the cryptocurrency that started the movement. Understanding Bitcoin helps beginners understand much of the broader crypto market. Let's talk about something many beginners overlook. Risk. Cryptocurrency can be extremely volatile. Prices can rise quickly, but they can also fall quickly. This volatility is one reason experts often encourage people to learn before investing. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose, and never make decisions based purely on excitement or fear. Risk management is a critical part of cryptocurrency explained for complete beginners, because understanding the risks is just as important as understanding the opportunities. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe. We post weekly videos covering investing, personal finance, cryptocurrency, and practical strategies for building financial knowledge and long-term wealth. Now let's discuss how beginners should approach crypto. One of the smartest approaches is to focus on education first. Learn how cryptocurrency works, understand blockchain technology, study market risks, and take your time. Many beginners rush into investments because they fear missing out, but knowledge often creates better decisions. Successful investors usually spend time learning before risking money. The goal isn't moving fast. The goal is understanding what you're doing. Here's an important perspective. Cryptocurrency is only one part of the financial world. There are also stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses, savings accounts, and many other assets. Some people focus exclusively on crypto. Others include it as one piece of a broader financial strategy. The important thing is understanding that wealth can be built through many different paths, and diversification often helps manage risk. This is another key takeaway from cryptocurrency explained for complete beginners. Never confuse one asset class with an entire financial plan. So let's recap cryptocurrency explained for complete beginners. Cryptocurrency is digital money. Blockchain records transactions. Bitcoin started the movement. People buy crypto for different reasons. The market can be volatile. Education matters. And cryptocurrency should be viewed within the bigger picture of personal finance. The more you understand before investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. And in the next video, we'll break down the biggest differences between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies and explain why they were created in the first place. You won't want to miss it.